Hello, what's up? What's popping? This is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image and replacing the background of that image with a solid color of your choice or any background of your choice. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So right on my screen, this is my artboard, and this is an artboard of 1080 by 1080 pixels, and I'm using RGB color mode, and I'm going to show you now how to remove the background of an image, and we want to replace that background of that image with a solid color. So first things first, I'm going to fill this background with the solid color that we want. So I'll just pick my rectangle tool right here. Then I'm going to click and drag on my artboard. Then just choose the color from your swatches panel right here. So for me, I'm going to go with blue. I think that will do for me. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is import my image on this artboard. So come to File, Place Embedded, locate where your image is. For me, I'm going to use this, so I'll double click to import your image. So I check that. So here's my image. So I want to remove the background of this image so that the background of this image remains the blue that I've just created. So you can use any method to remove your background. You can use the quick selection, you can use the subject select, then inverse the selection and delete the background. So if you need another video on how to remove the backgrounds of any image, just check on my YouTube channel. Just check on the videos, you'll get a video that explains how to remove or all the processes of how to remove the backgrounds of images. So for me, I'm just going to use my AI right here. So I'll convert this layer into a normal layer. I'll convert to layers. I'll come to my quick actions. This is the properties panel. If you do not have your properties panel, just come to window and ensure the properties is checked right here. Ensure your properties is checked. So for me, my properties is checked. That's why I have this properties panel right here. So go to your properties panel, layers, convert the image into layers. Then come to quick action and remove background. Just click that and allow Photoshop to do its magic. So boom, there it is. I already have my image done. So that's how you remove the background of images and replacing them with a custom color. So I can go back to my layer and I can change that to any color of my choice. As you can see, just click on any color and yeah, you'll be able to achieve that color anyhow. So that's how you do that. So ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content.